Well, hi folks, it's Dane here at Jonah Guitars. Just a pretty brief video really. I've just upgraded, I think, my camera situation. So I have a new camera with a light and a actual microphone. Not a camera mic. It's the Rhodes Micro one there. So anyway, I think it's going to be a pretty decent setup. I'm not going to tell you what kind of camera it is just because I don't want to have, I don't know. Go ahead and guess. Go ahead and guess what kind of camera. It's probably pretty obvious to those people who actually know photography and whatnot. I'm a novice completely. I decided to upgrade. I've had, surprisingly enough, with somewhere well over 200 videos, closer to 300, I think. I've not had a lot of negative comments about how crappy the camera is, especially the noise that it was always making in the background, kind of, like a little squirrel cage going on for something that has no moving parts. I was a little surprised that it could make noise like that. I don't think it has moving parts. It's just a, card you stick in. So anyway, new camera setup, and I just recently got a comment, and somebody made the comment, and I basically responded with that. Well, when I get a little cash up on this, maybe I'll buy some new equipment. And I've had a few opportunities through the years to do that. I've just decided there were more important things to spend money on. The last big thing I spent money on was my bandsaw. Put about $500 into that to get a resaw. Got an old band. You saw the videos. I got an old bandsaw and I rebuilt it. So anyway, the one thing about this particular camera is I do have a much wider shot. And looking, my monitor is up above me here, so I'm not going to be looking at the camera while I look at that. But yeah, it looks like a bomb went off in here, and I'm going to need to. I've been really busy, so I am going to make an excuse. Been really busy, and when I'm in the throes of a project, I don't clean up after myself. I just kind of get in between jobs, put everything away, and then start all over again. So. Usually when you're seeing videos, you're seeing me in the middle of something, and that means there's going to be a mess around me. Anyway, let me know what you think of the new camera. I will mention at this point that I have a lot of video in the can from the old camera. I mean, literally hours and hours and hours. If I was to say 100 hours of video previously filmed, I wouldn't be exaggerating. Of course, that all has to be, edited down to, digestible chunks. But I've got a 65 Martin. I think it was the 65 Martin. I did a bunch of crack repair on. It had a lot of loose braces in it. I think that was all the same one. I want to say I had a 48 that had that I did a neck reset on. I could be confusing that with something else, but anyway, I have a lot of stuff in the can, and so when I'm filming new stuff, I'll be using the new equipment, but meanwhile, put up with some of the old stuff still until I get all of that edited and up, and we'll see. If I look back at some of it and it doesn't seem like it's quality after all this, and or I've already been there. I mean, I've posted several neck resets and things like that. I think some of the older guitars, it's interesting just because it's kind of fun to see an older guitar in the shop. Anyway, I'm dragging this out and I don't need to. So Let me know what you think of the new camera quality, the audio, and the lighting. I'm on the lowest setting right now on the lighting. When I'm actually, and I'm looking at it and it's kind of annoying, when I'm actually filming something, I may very well bump the light up. I may also take the screen, the filter off of the light. Right now it's got a filter on it, otherwise I would be completely blind. Anyway, folks, let me know what you think. That's it for now. Take care.